How would you like to start a vegetable garden where you didn't have to do any digging or tilling? Can you imagine that? No digging, no tilling. Well, stick with me. I'm going to show you how. Hi, welcome to garden hauling. So I am in my backyard garden. I have made plans to enlarge my garden space, and one of the things I'm going to do is I am incorporating the no-dig garden method. And the no-dig garden method is simply what it says, no digging. So I don't do any digging, I don't do any tilling. I like this method of gardening because it helps me to preserve those microorganisms that live under the ground. So no dig gardening means that you're just not going to disturb any of those microorganisms living under the ground. Those microorganisms are so very, very important in gardening because they play a large part in how well your vegetables will grow. Earthworms, they dig all these tunnels under the soil, and when they do that, it's like they are aerating the soil for you, and so your plants can take in more nutrients and more water, and that will help them to thrive. No-dig gardening eliminates or it decreases the need for weeding, and it also helps to replenish those microorganisms that live under the ground, because sometimes when you're tilling or you're digging real rough in the soil, then you can kill a lot of those worms and microorganisms that are living under the soil. So I like to leave them undisturbed because that's their home, and I need them to help my garden to thrive. So I've already started a no-dig garden area. Let me show you. So here in zone 8, the temperature is like 48 degrees today, but it's not raining. It's been raining drizzling the last couple of days, but it's not raining now. Now, having a border in your no-dig garden is optional. Some people prefer to have a border. Some people prefer not to have a border. Your border could be made of rocks. It could be made of just plain wood. As you can see, I have landscape timbers, and I like having a border because it will keep my soil intact. I did try to go without a border one time, and my soil just washed away. So I prefer having a border. And then as far as the cardboard, that is optional as well. I put it down because I have grass growing under this cardboard that you see. I have grass growing. If you do not have any grass growing, then you can eliminate the cardboard and just go straight and put your soil down. Or if you have grass, you may want to just take off the top layer of grass and then put your soil down and eliminate the cardboard. I wanted to mention that this cardboard, it doesn't have a lot of printing on it. It did have some tape on it, and I took it off. There's no shiny, waxy finish on it. It's just a plain brown color. Now, I got this cardboard for free at my local grocery store. You can get it for free. They'll just about give it away. Or you can buy it, but why buy it if you can just get it for free? Now, as far as the soil, you could use 100% compost in your no-dig garden, and that's fine. Some people use it, but if you're going to use 100% compost, you want to make sure that it is not hot, that it is fully broken down. You could also use raised bed mix. If you're going to use compost, mix it in with some other soil. I always recommend that you use compost in your garden because that is going to help feed those microorganisms. So let me get my soil together. I'll put it in my no-dig garden space here, and I'll show you how I do it. A no-dig garden bed is complete. So I can do one of two things. I can plant in it right now, or I can wait and plant in it later. So for obvious reasons, the weather is too cold right now, and so I decided to just wait until the weather warms up and then I'll plant something in it. But the beauty is I'm all done with it. I don't have to rush to get it ready for the spring because it's already complete. So that leaves me time to do other gardening things that I need to do. Thanks for joining me for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.